Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. If you want personal readings from me, I have mentioned my number in the description box. Please WhatsApp me. Do not call me, okay? And it is for paid reading, not a free reading. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, you can check all the links in the description box. So today's reading is about Sagittarians. Let's see what's happening in their love life in the month of December. This is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep your mindset a little broad about that, okay? Let's see with the oracles what's coming up for Sagittarians in their love life in the month of December. What's happening for Sagittarians? What's happening for Sagittarians in the month of December? First card is spread your wings. Okay, I think Sagittarians, you need to be more open. Okay, whatever you are about to, whatever blessings are coming your way, whatever is coming your way, please open your wings. Please be open to receiving good things, blessings coming your way. I think this card is coming up very like too often today. Prior to this, I did reading for Capricorn and this came up, very first card this came up, and unexpectedly this is coming up for you guys. So I think definitely some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn, so if you are a cross watcher, please check Capricorn reading. So what I see here, you need to be opening up. You need to open up. Don't block your energies. Don't stay aloof. Don't keep yourself isolated. Don't show distrust in the situation. Whatever universe is showering upon you, whatever angels are showering upon you, please open your wings, embrace it, trust it. Everything is just going to be okay. You just simply need to love. This is the bottom of the deck. This has also come up for Capricorn. So many of you are dealing with a Capricorn. If you are, please check the Capricorn reading. Definitely many of you, I see you need to be opening up. Maybe you are keeping yourself intact, not opening up, not showing much, not sharing your love, okay? Complicating things. So don't do that. You just need to love. You just need to receive and give love, okay? That is very simple, and you are complicating things, okay? I think you must try to trust the other person you're dealing with, or keep doing what you are doing. I think you don't need to change, or you don't need to change the other person, okay? What more do we have? Let's see what's more coming up for Sagittarians for the month of December for their love life. First we have is heal. I think you are not opening up, you are not opening up because you are not healed. You need healing, okay? Universe is about to heal you. So embrace it, spread your wings, trust the process, heal yourself, come out of all the hurt, all the past situations that you have gone through. It is over. It is a matter of past, okay? Whether you are hurt or your person is hurt, definitely someone needs to heal here. Healing is taking place especially in the month of December, okay? Open your throat chakra, talk about something you want to do with this person. Don't focus on the negatives, focus on the positives. So everything will be done after healing. So bottom of the deck is the Master. Take control, take charge of your life, of your love life especially, okay? Please do not block your heart, do not block your mind, do not block your throat. Open it up, talk to the other person, okay? Take things under your control. Take the lead. You are the master of your love life, and your whole life, okay? Take the lead, heal yourself, master your feelings. Don't let the feelings of past or the situation of the past burden you or misguide you, okay? So take the lead, master your feelings, okay? What more do we have for Capricorns? Okay, the first card we have is success and growth. So I think there is a scope of success and growth in your particular situation, okay? There is a potential of this love to flourish, to go forward, to you are about to enter a new phase, I think, okay? So just trust the process and keep your mindset very positive, very optimistic about this situation. Okay, don't look at the negatives, don't bother about the negative happenings in the past. Embrace, I told you, you need to embrace everything that is coming upon you, that is bestowed upon you, the blessings, the love, the care, the attention. Okay, someone is blocking the good things that are coming their way, either you or your person. Switch the roles as you need, I told you. Okay, so this is what's happening here. Let's see from the tarot what's coming up for Capricorns in their love life. Sorry, Sagittarians in their love life. I told you, definitely some of you are dealing with a Capricorn. What's happening for Sagittarians? What's happening for Sagittarians? What's happening for Sagittarians in the month of December? Bottom of the deck is Six of Wands. I told you something, blessings, major blessings are coming your way. You need to look at that. Just open your eyes, be good, be open to receiving good news, something better, something bright, something positive, something happening. See a Capricorn card, I told you. Either you're waiting for a Capricorn or you're dealing with a Capricorn. I don't know what's that. What is more? Okay, you need to love yourself. Come in this Empress energy, male or female, be it male or female, you need to empower yourself, enlighten yourself, trust in yourself. Okay, work on yourself. Many of you are going to focus more on your grooming, how you look. Maybe you will try to look more and more awesome. You will work on your looks. Okay, you will color your hair, or you will try a new style, something like that. Okay, this is good. This is first step of self-love. Come in your power. Okay, talk for yourself. Okay, take stand for yourself. Bottom of the deck is Knight of Cups. See, this Empress doesn't want someone who is a knight. Okay, she wants a king. She wants an emperor. Okay, she doesn't want to deal with a knight. Maybe you're dealing with people around you that are very much they are not bringing something major, something stable, something long term. Okay, so whomsoever you're dealing with, maybe a water sign, is not bringing you the kind of, they are not providing you the kind of love you expect, the kind of love you always wanted in your life. Okay, so I think you're expecting something better, or maybe you are not giving the kind of love and attention to the person in your life. Okay, you are not being open to them, not being clear with them. What more do we have? You'll be very, very attractive to the people around you. You will have many eyes set on you. Okay, in the month of December. What more do we have? Success is coming your way. You will seek a lot of pleasures in the month of December, Sagittarians. What's more? What's more coming up? Wow, new cycles beginning. This is the Death card, and don't worry, Death is not a negative card. Okay, don't get terrified when Death card comes up. It is not a physical death. Okay, in some cases it might be, but in your case I'm feeling this new life cycle. You maybe you are working on yourself, you're improving yourself, your skills or your looks or your fitness, and you are coming out of something that was drastically draining you mentally, physically, or whatnot. Okay, definitely there needs to be a change, a major change in your love life. Okay, you need your energies are shifting. A lot of major shifting is happening, and the bottom of the deck is High Priest. Okay, and this is about this is Scorpio energy, this is Virgo energy. I see you, maybe you're already in a government job, so you will have salary increment, or I don't know, maybe promotion, or maybe you will work for a new government job for some of you, or you will have government job in the month of December, or you will apply for a government job. No matter what this is, okay, especially it is a good time for those who are into government job and those who are into legal jobs like advocate or lawyer, or I don't know what. So I think coming to your love life, I think you are taking stand for yourself. You are being fair to the people you love. Okay, or maybe the person you're dealing with is being fair with you. They want to start with something with you. They took their time. Okay, they took their space, and now they will be fair with you and this relationship. Let's see what more is coming up for Sagittarians. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, again a Knight energy. Many of you are dealing with someone who is immature, who is not up to the mark. You don't want someone who is a knight, you want someone who is an emperor, or maybe a king, or maybe a queen. Okay, so I think you think this person is taking a lot of time, or maybe this person thinks you are taking a lot of time coming towards them. Okay, you are very slow in your movement. Okay, something is slowly but surely falling into place. Bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles. Maybe you were having two choices, or this person had two choices and they are choosing you. Slowly but surely they are coming towards you. Someone is coming towards you. Okay, or you are approaching towards someone. Okay, see, if you are juggling something, if this is you who is juggling between two people, two situations, don't do it. It is not going to land you anywhere. Okay, it is not for your it is not in your best interest to juggle two people or two situations. You will not end up anywhere. Okay, you'll just fall off. What more do we have for Capricorns? Sorry, see again, for Sagittarians, what's coming up for Sagittarians, please? Knight. I told you, many knight, a lot of knight energy coming in. Maybe you're dealing with a player, or maybe this person thinks you are not trustworthy, you are a player, non-committal, very rushing in, rushing out kind of energy. Okay, if this is you, please do not rush, please do not juggle, please do not be so slow in your movement. Also, I think someone is expecting a lot of stability out of you, but you are not providing it. Or maybe you are expecting stability from someone and they are not providing it. Your money looks good, though your money looks good in the month of December. Okay, maybe you will save up, maybe you will have more money. Okay, so definitely what's happening here is you have your eyes set on someone, or someone has their eyes set on you. Someone treasures you, someone has a lot of feelings for you. Okay, what's more coming up for Sagittarians? Yeah, Emperor. See, many of you are into a twin flame journey, or you're dealing with your divine counterpart. This is Emperor, this is Empress. So you both deserve each other, you both are made for each other. You just need to come out of this night energy. If you are in this night energy, please come out of this. See, definitely a major relationship is going on here. This is nothing to this is no fun. Okay, this is no fun. This is a major relationship going on here. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. I think someone is either angry with you, or you're angry with someone, or you both need to acknowledge, you both need to realization, both need to have a realization of each other. Maybe you don't look at each other as equal. Okay, so please do that if you're not doing that. See, realizations, as I said the word realization, the Hermit has to come out, right? So I think this is about understanding each other, valuing each other, talking to each other. Okay, eye to eye, understanding each other, no matter you are far away from each other or coming together. Many of you are married. Okay, many of you are married, and definitely dealing with someone who is your equal match, but you are not realizing it. You will realize this in the month of December. Not many of you, some of you are married here. Okay, a new beginning is about to be made by you. You have to take the lead, or maybe coming from your person. Okay, someone is about to start something. Okay, what more do we have? What advice do we have for Sagittarians? Okay, we have 3 cards here. Work on the trust issues. Okay, work on the trust issues. If there are any, you need to trust. Don't be misled, misguided by someone. There needs to be communication, or you will receive communication, swift communication, good news coming in. Okay, and be hopeful. Do not lose hope. This is Aquarian energy, this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy, and this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You need to be hopeful. Everything is just going to fall into place. Don't worry, don't stress. Okay, yeah. Let's see what's coming up for you, Sagittarians, from the Moonology. What advice do we have for Sagittarians? What advice do we have? First is your commitment is being tested. I told you, many of you don't value this person. Maybe you don't realize, you don't recognize that this is your better half, this is your divine counterpart. So your commitment is being tested by the angels, by the spirit guides, by the universe. So be sure to pass this test. Okay, what more do we have? Believe in the impossible. So if you feel this relationship is just impossible, not gonna happen, not gonna work, believe in the impossible. Okay, nothing is possible, nothing is impossible, everything happens at the right time. You just have to believe. Okay, next is, it is time to release negativity. I think you have a lot of negative thoughts, negative emotions, fears, doubt, or a negative relationship maybe. So release it. Whatever is negative for you right now, release it. And the bottom of the deck is time to breathe out. Maybe you are stressing yourself, maybe you are running in and out of the situation. If you want, take break. If you want, please do not invest much into a connection right now. Take some time for yourself. Okay, don't rush, don't hurry. Okay, let's see what comes up for Sagittarians from my handwritten messages. Okay, first we have is gifts. You're going to receive gifts. It might be your birthday or your person's birthday. Wish come true. Definitely your wishes are going to come true. Dominance, someone wants to dominate the connection. Job change, I told you, someone is either struggling with their job or maybe wanting to shift their jobs, or you are about to shift your job or thinking about shifting your job, or maybe promotion or something like that. Call or text, you're going to receive call or text from your person. And traveling, I told you, shifting, a lot of shifting is happening. Maybe you're shifting to a new house, or you're relocating or something like that, or your person is relocating. So this is what's happening for Sagittarians. If you like the reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, Sagittarians, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.